Hello everybody, my name is Tiffany Allen and I'll be talking about confronting misinformation from the oil and gas industry. And the event I went to, How to Harm, called Say This Not That kickoff event, countering oil and gas misinformation on Thursday, December 14th. Went to How to Harm to attend their event. Now I'll be talking about gas. Natural gas is the most misunderstood fossil fuel in terms of its harms from one poll of Americans nationwide. Only half, 52% of Americans say that natural gas contributes to unhealthy air pollution and climate change. Methane gas has been told to the public as a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels and shows as a big problem as it is attached to the word with natural. Many Americans mistakenly think that natural gas is a clean energy source when people hear the word natural. People who are concerned about climate change and are against fossil fuels still say they support the use of natural gas, even though it may be harmful as it's known as a fossil fuel. Maybe you came across this talking to some friends or colleagues, as there's a common misconception out there that gas is a clean energy source. The public wants more clean energy sources because 67% say they want to use more solar and 62% of the US members want to use more wind. So this just says that how the public wants more clean energy sources but do not want to increase fossil fuel production, as 21% want more oil and only 16% want more coal. Gas is somewhere in the middle. So as you can see, only 39% say we should use more natural gas and only 12% say we need to use less. So when talking about methane gas, we're even talking about it being less popular because only 22% say we should use more of it and only 34% want less. So people have different reactions when talking about the same energy sources, depending on how you describe it. People want more natural gas, but they do not want more methane gas. That's why advocates like myself should be mindful of calling it natural gas, because that's what the industry wants us to call it, because it helps to foster the misconception that natural gas is an actual clean source of energy. Polling of registered voters nationwide say that only 27% have a favorable opinion, while 41% have an unfavorable opinion when it comes to fracking. So when you get more specific, you can say oil and gas fracking. More people know what you're talking about, and they still don't like it, as only 30% are favorable and 47% are unfavorable. So as advocates, here's just a table to help with when talking about oil and gas and fracking, what we should be saying when describing what it is, what it's made of, how it's produced, the pollution from burning it, and its dangers to people. As the owner of the Neighbors Group, I'm here to provide you with this information because when we're clear about how gas is being extracted, it becomes less appealing to people. I want to thank How to Harm for allowing me to attend their event called Say This Not That kickoff event, countering oil and gas misinformation, because the idea of increasing natural gas is popular, but increasing frack gas is not. So as advocates, we need to link natural gas to fracking to counter this misinformation. And I wanted to show you this because the oil and gas industry wants you to believe that natural gas is a clean energy source, and it's not. Natural gas is methane, and natural gas is not a clean energy source. And that. Thank you.